A number of functions can be performed using the exacqVision surveillance keyboard in both the live and the search pages of the client software. Once connected to an exacqVision client workstation, the pre-configured functions and controls of the exacqVision keyboard can be viewed through the joystick setup page in the configuration tree. For this demonstration, we'll use the default button mapping, but these can be changed in the joystick setup page using any of the available checkboxes or drop-down menus. Pulling up a PTZ camera in live mode allows you to use the joystick to pan and tilt the camera, as well as zoom in or out by twisting the knob. C1 through C4 can be used to easily move the camera to the corresponding PTZ presets. If viewing multiple cameras, you can cycle through the displayed panels by using the two buttons beneath the jog wheel, with the selected camera showing a light green border. Pressing C9 will toggle a 1x1 view of the selected camera. If selecting a fixed camera, you can use C10 to toggle digital PTZ on and off. You can then zoom in and out using the joystick as if you were using a regular PTZ camera. C11 can be used to traverse the camera tree on the left and pull up the next set of cameras. Lastly, the star button can be used to pull up a Find Camera menu, and if camera names are designated starting with a number, hitting star followed by the number and then the pound key will bring up that camera. The wheels beneath the C11, 12, and 13 keys can be used to easily review recorded video. This method works for both the search page and exact replay. Once recorded video is pulled up, the inner wheel can be used to scrub through the video, and the outer wheel will control the playback speed of the searched video.